Our National Security Advisor, Mr. Ajit Doval, has attended a virtual meeting with BRICS countries, and this meeting has been hosted by the National Security Advisor of China. And it is basically regarding how the countries can improve their cooperation and how they can work together on terrorism. Good evening, friends. Today the discussion topic is BRICS. So BRICS is basically a group of 5 developing and also the most emerging economic countries, and it is the acronym of Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. BRIC, if we say, that is the group of 4 countries, has been we can say constituted in 2006, and later in 2010 it becomes BRICS, that is South Africa is also added in BRIC. So BRICS represents around 41% of world's population, and it represents 24% of world's GDP and 16% of world's trade. So through this we can understand that it has quite good significance in world, and the motto basically of BRICS is to improve the economy and to work more on we can say in developing the countries that are the member of this group. And in 2014 with this motto, the countries have we can say constructed a new development bank, and whose aim is basically to give soft loans to support the countries, and it is quite useful for the countries too. And apart from this, last year in 2021, India is the one who has hosted the BRICS annual meeting. Basically the annual meetings has been and the chairman get alternative as per the acronym. So last year India was the one who had hosted, and this year it would be China who is going to host the BRICS meeting. And in last year there were many decisions and many talks has been done regarding how they can improve, how the countries can improve their economic condition, and especially how they can fight together for against the COVID pandemic and many more. And apart from this, it is quite helpful for India because it empowers our ties with different countries, especially Russia and also the South Africa. We can say because with China the relations will always be like same, but yeah, with other countries definitely improves. And apart from this, if we see some of the we can say flaws or some of the issues that we basically face regarding the BRICS is first is that BRICS somehow contradicts the Quad group, because in Quad we actually say it's as a we can say it's against China and the intentions of Chinese intention, but at the same time we are with China in BRICS, so it is quite contradictory in front of the whole world with respect to India. But and second thing is that for ourselves also, like the decisions that China take in BRICS too is sometimes become manipulative for India, because last year in 2021 summit of BRICS in China has somehow managed to make India manipulate for regarding the Winter Olympics that has been conducted in 2020 in Winter Olympics that has been conducted in China. So I believe this somehow these things we need to prevent, and because we all know Chinese intentions. So apart from this, I can say BRICS is quite useful for India, and in future we are going to work more on it, and it will be quite helpful. Thank you.